Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. I'm Johnson. Friends, today I will share how to make mostly dead rose survive again and make the plant healthy with more flower blooms. So without wasting time, let's begin now. You can see here this the rose plant I have is mostly dead, all the branch you can see here. So first step we need to prune all the dead branch using a sharp cutter. Do as I'm doing here. So just remove all the dead branches and make shorter. If you have unhealthy rose plant like this, you can use this process and get more flower in your rose plant with healthy branches and healthy leaves. So pruning is really important for the plant to come out new healthy leaves and new branches from the plant and get more flower blooms here. So after pruning we need to use a fertilizer to make the rose plant healthy. So first we need to make the soil softer using some tools. We can use our hand also. Just make it the soil soft and give fertilizer. So in this video I'll tell you the best fertilizer for the rose plant. It will be organic fertilizer. So I have used here is rice husk and vermicompost, or else you can use a cow dung compost. So it's all our organic fertilizer. So just I'll put here. So we can give fertilizer like once in 3 or 4 months to the rose plant so that the plant will stay healthy enough and give more flower. So I'll give all the fertilizers here. So remember, after pruning we need to keep this in the indirect sunlight in the bright light area so that the pruning area will not get rotten. So give lots of water after giving fertilizer. So about watering, give like 3 to 4 times a week of water. So it will take, so the plant will get healthier within 10 days, and within 40 to 50 days it will start growing very well and blooms a lot. So I'll check this after 50 days. Hello everyone, this is day 50. You can see the flower has already started blooming. So just check. I am very happy to see the beautiful rose in my garden I have now. So it was mostly dead, but now it has grown very well with more flower blooms. So I keep fertilizing like once in 3 or 4 months and give regular watering 3 or 4 times a week. So friends, it is the easiest process to make the mostly dead rose survive again. So friends, I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then friends, thank you for watching. Take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye.